Now let's understand another concept of formatting where you want to show your data or you want to present your data to someone in a particular format so that you have in a minimum space a lot of text, a lot of information being shown to the person who wants to see it. Let's come back to the data that we already have here. Yeah, we can see this three records has 199 in common. I could merge this entire cell. So I can merge this entire cell and say OK. So I can still have, I can present that this entire three records have 199 as store key. Same way, if I have to reflect this all three records as 306 as the store key, I'll just merge this records. Yeah. Same way for 301. Yeah. Since we selected horizontally, it got merged according to the cells that we have selected. Now, we'll talk about merging, non-merging in a separate session, but right now the session that we are looking out for is the alignment of the text which are within this particular merge cell or any kind of cell, even in a single cell. But usually, as per my experience, the alignment option is mostly used to show something which has got merged and can have multiple record. Yeah. So suppose 199, all these particular records, there are multiple records and I want to align 199 in a specific way. So I go to formatting, go to alignment, rotation. I'll go say tilt up. You can see the text which is or the value that is available in the rows have tilted upwards. The same option is available here in the formatting bar. Yeah, but we'll still do it from the menu bar. So I can go to format, rotation, I'll set tilt down. Just keep on checking the way this particular values are getting tilted in the cell itself. So again, we'll do other check other formatting. So rotate. We have checked tilt up, tilt down. Now we'll say stack vertically. 199, 306, 307. Format, rotation, rotate up. Pretty simple, right? And pretty understandable how it is looking. Rotate down, yeah. Format. Now you can have custom rotations as well. Now these are normals. I can have custom rotation, I say minus 75 degree. Format, rotation, custom angle, probably minus 15 degree. So you can have custom rotations for your text, which you can do the same kind of rotations, you can have it over here. So I can tilt up, tilt down, stack vertically, stack vertically, yeah. Or you can have a custom option of 90 degree. So this is mostly used to present a particular data in a particular way so that it looks nice and it is in a compact form. This is why the rotation of text are being used. You can use it for multiple cells, merge cells, but as per my experience, it is mostly used for merge cells, but you can use it for other cells as well. So I can tilt all the text like this. I can do it this way. Very simple, right? So coming back to my cells, I will remove the rotation, I'll say none. So it is in a normal format. So all in all, the rotation is used only to present your data so that it is presented in a compact form and it looks nice. That's it.